Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about a guide on how to earn from buying and selling domains. If you are still struggling to make money, or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. There are men willing to pay 49.7 million US dollars for domain names. People often say that they buy and sell goods to make money. You name it, from cars to houses to stocks to luxury items. These are things you often hear from other people. For someone who doesn't know much about the internet, selling domains and websites are things that people who make extra money online do. What qualifies you to earn from this hustle? To make a tidy profit, you have to own the asset. The same rule applies to this way of making money. Buy the domain cheap and sell it for a lot of money. The sale of carinsurance.com was one of the most expensive domain sales. It was bought for 49.7 million US dollars by Queen Street, which is an online marketplace. So one will ask, how do I get my own domain? Imagine buying a piece of property to sell in the future. I recall my husband and I acquired a condo in the side skirts of the city. It had a lot of potential because tertiary hospitals and office buildings are close enough to walk to. We paid 86,000 US dollars for it, but now it's worth 130,000 US dollars. Buying domains must follow the same rule. Short domain names are good deals. You will never see a domain printed on a poster as long as a boat. It's worth more because it's easy to remember. It must have as few characters as possible, because the simpler, the better. It is also a good idea to keep an eye out for new business trends or products that will be coming out soon. Say that freelancing is something new now. Then, freelancing.com can help you make a nice profit as time goes on. You must think about how easy it is to find. Visit Google to see if the keywords will work. Lastly, the price must be fair for you to make a lot of money. Once you've decided if the domain could be sold, look for domain names to register. Before you register, which is like getting a title to a piece of land, you should first see if you can sell the domain and make money from it. Before you give your payment information, do your due diligence. If not, you might end up throwing your money away in the garbage. So now that I have it, where can I sell it? When you want to sell something, you put it somewhere public to get the word out. You don't want to waste time, so you should show this to a place where your target audience is situated. Domain auctions are places where people who want to buy can go. Also, you can sell websites on online marketplaces like Flipper, Sido, and Website Broker, among others. Consider your domains like a real estate portfolio. There is the holding period, as well as the fact that profit margins for each stock can be different. If you are still learning the ropes, it is better to start small with a few dollars. As with any investment, now is the best time to buy. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.